गोयची टॉप 2 टेबल टेनिस प्लेयर तानिसी किर्तनी आणि वेस्ली दो रोझारियो नवे सिजनात पेजात कामगिरी करपाक तयार जाल्यात। हालींच पणजेत जाल्ल्या एडवान्स कोचिंग कॅम्पात दोगांकय नॉर्थ कोरियन कोचाकडल्यान पेजात सल्लो मेळ्ळा। आता आमच्या खेळाक नवी धार येतली अशें तानिसी आनी वेस्ली म्हणटात।
गोंयांत आतां टेबल टेनिसाक बरे दीस येतात। उदेंते खेळगडे बऱ्यापैकी तयार जातात। गोवा टेबल टेनिस असोसिएशनान भायले कोच हाडून एडवान्स कॅम्प दवरून प्लेयरांक उर्बा दिल्या। हालीं गोंयची तानिसी किर्तनी आनी वेस्ली दो रोझारियोन बरीच प्रगती करीत आंतरराष्ट्रीय आनी राष्ट्रीय मेडलांय जोडल्यांत। आता नवे सिजनाक आनीक बरी कामगिरी करपाक ही दोगांय तयार जाल्यांत।
Basically, being a Goan, I didn't have the minute points which were actually required to win the match at national level. After this camp, I've learned this small techniques which will be very helpful in the match, like service receiving, flicks.
What do you consider as most special advice from these coaches?
While playing the game, he's telling us to fight and cheer up ourselves.
So that is the killer instinct
Yeah.
that he wants to instill in you.
Basically, we are very good players. Without that amount of coaching, we are performing well.
Yeah.
But we are always lacking in our fitness, which he has showed us. He has showed us new, techniques to improve our fitness, to get it to a level where we can actually, which will be helpful in the match. That is the most important thing I think I've learned in this camp.
Do you set any target for a new season?
Top three in India.
Top
in
three in
junior,
India.
under 18.
Actually, I'm born on 30th December. So the cutoff date is on 1st Jan. So always I miss a year. I have to play in the higher category. So this year I'm 14. Still I'm playing under 18. So I'm competing with, big girls who are very matured. So it is really difficult to compete with them because I'm really young and I'm not that mature to play like, their standard. So this year I want to come in the top 8.
Top 18?
Junior girls in India. Yeah.
Okay.
That is all I want because that will be like a great achievement if I come in top 8 in
And
India.
any world event that you
Yeah, I'll be going for Bahrain Open
When
this
is
year. It will be in September. And then Indian Open.
Okay. All the best to you, Tanisi and Wesley. प्रुडंटा खातीर नीरज प्रभू आनी तुळशीदास च्यारी।
इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीर लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात। पळयत रावत प्रुडंट। नमस्कार।